Assalamu alaikum viewers with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. In this video, you can learn how to create a Jelley 3D model in Cinema 4D. So let's start without wasting time. Open the Cinema 4D and go to Pen tab. Create here flower object and change the rotation. Okay, and create the duplicate. Okay, now change the position and click on the first object and go to property. Change the inner radius to 30 and outer to 40. Okay, now click on second object and change the value to 12 and outer to 24. Okay, now change the position like this. Okay, now apply the loft. Select the both object and drop into loft. Okay, and click on the loft and go to object. Change the mesh subdivision U to 115 and V to 25, and also check the box organic form and go to caps. Change the start to filled cap. Change the steps to 5 and radius to 8, and also check the box create single object. Okay, okay guys, now change the camera and also make the loft to editable. Click on loft and make it editable. Okay, and now select the pen tool and make a slice like this. Okay, now change the camera and apply the lathe. Drop spline to into lathe. Okay, and now apply the subdivision surface and drop lathe into subdivision. Okay, and now rename it plate and loft to Jelley. Okay, now apply the null object and drop both object into null. Okay, and click on the null. Go to properties and make an animation. Go to timeline and apply the keyframe. And change the value position of null object. Add the keyframe and forward the playhead, and also change the value of position. Add the keyframe and forward playhead. Add keyframe. Okay, and forward playhead and change the position. Okay, and add the keyframe. Okay, now play the animation. Okay, Now click on Jelley and press and hold shift and go to create deformer and apply the jiggle. Okay. Okay. Now change the camera and selection tool and make some selection like this. Change the camera and go to select tab, set vertex, weight and change the value to 100. Press OK. Now double click on the vertex map and change the mode to smooth and change the value to 50 and click on apply all. Now click on jiggle and go to restriction and drag the vertex map tag here. Okay. Now play the movie. Okay. Now apply the material. Double click to create new material and double click on the material to change the material and here we select color, transparency and change the refraction 1.5 and change the color. Okay. And check the render view. Double click again and add some environment. Okay. And now you can see and also click on plate material and add some environment like this. Okay. Okay guys, it's done. So it's our today's video. If you like this video, so please like, comment and share our video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.